is our story of carving our way into our dreams. 32 acres of tangled wilderness, where every step we take seems like a conversation with the earth itself. Cutting down trees, it's not just labor. For me, it's heartbreak. But as each one falls like a memory, a monument to what it was, I whisper apologies as they go, knowing that in their absence the sun will find its way in. Light floods the forest floor, and with light comes the promise of a new life. Gardens, orchards, a home. We walk upon this land as if it were only ours to claim, to carve, to keep. But long before our footsteps landed here, the wild ones danced through the forest, swam in the streams, and sang at sunrise. This land is not merely ours, it's shared and spoken for by those who ask for nothing but to live freely beneath the sky. These beings are not just guests in our world, we're guests in theirs. There are the foxes. They watched us at first with quiet suspicion, eyes like amber flickering through the trees, spying on us as we spied on them. We were strangers, clumsy, disturbing their rhythm, but slowly something shifted. They began to watch, listen, stay a while, and trust us. Now they greet us like friends, no longer from a distance. We've become a part of their story, not intruders, but a new family. They seem to find comfort in a new landscape, as the sun shines through, warming the mossy bed below. We're doing all this ourselves. No rush, no rigid plan, just intuition, patience, and a love for the land that deepens with every sunrise. As we walk, we let the land teach us what it wants to become and how we will fit in there. So we're taking our time. We plan as we go. We listen to the wind, the soil, the heartbeat of this place, and in return, it listens back. Not just to build a house, but to grow roots in a place that we're slowly learning its intentions. The foxes no longer hide, they linger. They watch, they play. They've made space for us in their world. And somehow, we feel they told us that we belong here. We didn't just find a place for a home, we were now invited into one. And with every sunrise, every tree that falls, and every moment shared with the wild, we say thank you.